Guys, welcome back to the channel. You all are welcome to yet another vlog. So today's topic will be about students ki what shall they do during this lockdown time, whether they should go to the clinics where they were working or they should join some new clinic, whether they will get salary in the new clinic whenever they are joining, what to do in this situation. Many people are confused and they're asking me, sir, what shall we do, what is the problem and all. So see, right now I would like to talk about few points which you have to keep in mind before doing anything, any step. So we all are at homes, right? Sitting at home all the time, we are watching our phones or laptops or whatever, we are playing games. So if you see at your homes, or if you check your phone, there is a thing called screen time. So I am sure that 90% of the people will be having a screen time of more than 10 hours. That's around more than one fourth of your day over the phone, right? So this is a very bad thing. You should not do at all. So that's why what is the suggestion? So when we what is the thing, like when we use our phone and we keep it, and after using for such a long hours, seeing so many Netflix series and Amazon series, and when we look at our at the time, that so much time we have wasted and we get frustrated. We have noticed like there is little bit of depression और अजीब सा लगता है कितना देरी फोन करने के बाद, whole night we are awake till 2:30, 3 o'clock. So it's not good actually. And after that we start thinking about careers, and we start thinking क्या होगा future का, अभी lockdown है कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. So this is a vicious cycle. You do like think about this all, then to escape from that we see our phones and we watch movies, we play games. So that should not be done actually. So if you are at home, you should focus on your career. So there are few things, like suppose if you have taken your vaccine, first dose and second dose as well, I would suggest ki seeing your area, like in your area if the number of cases are less, then you can join a clinic, right? Don't expect salary from a clinic right now, because all clinics are going through a heavy cash crunch. There is no patient, and if you want to learn work, initially you won't get patients, right? Starting you have to observe the patients, you have to see what the senior doctor is doing, you have to shadow under some dentist. But if you ask me like, can we go now, sir? Yes, you can go. If you have taken both the vaccine shots, then you are 100% not totally safe, but little bit safer than those persons who have not taken the vaccine. Am I right? So better you go and go to a clinic, at least spend the evening 2 to 3 hours whenever the clinic is open, and help the doctor, because doctors also need help from students. And if you are a student, if you're in final year or you're in internship, then during this COVID time you won't get any patients from college, because in college only very less patients are coming, and many areas there is lockdown. So if in your area the case count is little bit less, and you can see people, if the lockdown opens, slowly you can start joining a clinic. Corona का काल कितना दिन तक चलेगा is not sure. So that is the first thing. For those people who have not taken the vaccine, please do take the vaccine as fast as possible. After taking both the shots only you can join a clinic. Before that you should not join. तो इसमें confusion की कोई बात ही नहीं है. तीसरा कंफ्यूजन है कि हम क्या करें. सो इफ यू हैव मनी, इफ यू हैव नॉट हैविंग एनी फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स, माय सजेशन इज राइट नाउ फॉर दिस पीरियड कि इफ यू कैन जॉइन सम इंस्टीट्यूट which are in various places that you have to search on your own. I am not promoting any institute, but there are many institutes in our country. In your first you search in your locality, in your state, whether some institute which is teaching students about caries, or they are teaching about RCT, then you can join the institute if you don't have a money problem in your family. And though I would never suggest कि आप join करें, क्योंकि I don't like personally paying someone and get learning work, right? You can join a clinic and work there for 2 years to learn work, right? Paying separately 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs for just learning few RCT cases, you won't get patient, that you have to do on tooth. That is not good actually. But since during this time you won't get any patients in other clinics also, like OPD is very less. I have not opened my clinic till now, so only on emergency cases I am doing extraction, swelling cases I am doing extraction. So that is also a learning process. And so when you are approaching any clinic, first of all what you have to do, you have to tell the doctor ki sir, I have taken both the vaccine shots and I would like to work in your clinic. So there is no harm in asking someone, right? So we have to approach like that. आपको ऐसा अंदर से लगता होगा कि डॉक्टर आपको रखेगा नहीं, embarrassing लगता होगा, लेकिन that's not the situation. You can go and ask. If one doctor doesn't agree, the other doctor may agree, because there are so many dental clinics near or around your area. So that is the thing. Now doing the courses, for those people who have shortage of money problem, they can join some clinics. If you have money, just go and join, because sitting at home is a very bad thing. If you fall into mental depression, that is some other thing. आप depressed हो जाएंगे, you won't talk to your parents properly, you will be on the phone for 24 hours and all the time you will be irritated. So better join a course to divert your mind. That is the best thing you can do right now. Or if that other option which I told you. Those people who are preparing for PG or waiting for NEET results, देखिए with time only, when the situation comes down, then only you'll be able to join the NEET counseling, because India का situation अभी खराब है. So those who want to prepare for NEET, yes, you can join online coaching classes. Whichever coaching class is good for you, which you feel you have reviewed, you have researched, whichever coaching classes is good for you, you can learn the coaching classes. You can learn online, you can take online classes. There are few YouTube channels also from where you can take down a lot of notes, like Sai, Naveen and many other. Remembering YouTube, I am telling you that today is my live session on Instagram, not on my Instagram, it's on Dentistry to the Point YouTube channel. You can go and see that channel today at 10:15. I'll be having a talk over there. It will be an interactive session, so you can join and you can see whatever BDS students problem they are having. I'm going to discuss about all those things, and it's around 10:15 p.m. today. Today means Saturday. So this is the notification which I wanted to give. It's not on my channel, it's on Dentistry to the Point channel. So that is managed by 2 MDS students. So coming to the topic, so this is the thing right now, everybody is depressed कि सर हम क्या करें, हम क्या करें. देखिए हम क्या करें मतलब आपको खुद अपना सिचुएशन निकालना है. What you actually want to do, you can start working on it. If you are into MDS, you want to do MDS, start making notes and start studying. You have to start to take your brain out of the frustration and boredom. So आज का टॉपिक यही खत्म करते हैं. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and you can follow me on Instagram sai_dental. और आज का YouTube का जो लाइव सेशन है वो मत भूलना. Dentistry to the Point. Thank you. Bye bye.